Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Guys, guess what? It's Tablescape Tuesday, you guys. And today I'm going to be setting my table up for Easter. I'm going to be doing a beautiful Easter tablescape and you're going to love it. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead. Hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit that arrow at the side. Make sure you select all so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And don't forget, guys, to share my videos with your family and friends. Okay? So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. My tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday, my Easter tablescape. I hope you do love it. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Remember guys to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your family and friends. And guys, until next time, be blessed and be creative. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.